Hey everybody, welcome to Business Essentials. We have a new interesting video, that is types of digital marketing channels, to share with you. We hope you like our videos and pass them along to your friends. Make sure to watch until the end, because there is one of most amazing digital marketing type I have ever seen. So let's start our video. Online marketing channels have changed how products and services are promoted and advertised to customers. There are about 4.33 billion people who use the internet, which gives brands a good reason to move their marketing campaigns online. There are many different ways to market online. Today, we'll talk about a few of the most common types of digital marketing channels like you can use. Optimization for search engines SEO. Search engine optimization, as the name suggests, is about making your website page rank higher on search engines like Google, Bing, etc. Let's say someone searches online for how to bake a cake. If your recipe's webpage is one of the first few results, the user is likelier to click on it. With SEO, marketers could rank on the search engine results page for their most relevant keywords and reach many potential buyers or consumers. SEO helps marketers make the most of their online presence to get high-quality website traffic with a high chance of converting. The biggest problem with SEO is that it can be hard to understand and take a lot of time for the average business owner. This is because search engines like Google use algorithms to rank content that is always changing. Many digital marketing companies offer full-service SEO campaign management across different search engines, which is great. Click for pay. If you use it right, pay-per-click can be one of the most effective ways to market on the internet. The goal of pay-per-click PPC is to turn inactive users into interested prospects and then into buyers. For example, if a potential client clicks on an online display ad, they might be taken to another page with more information about it. If they stay interested through the whole thing, they might buy something. Most of the time, websites and social media platforms show PPC ads as sponsored stories, product listings, or video ads. It's a type of advertising where you only pay for how many times your ad is clicked on. PPC falls under search engine marketing when it comes to ads on the SERP, but it can also include affiliate marketing and display advertising on another site. Email marketing. Email is a much more personal way to get in touch with the people you want to buy from you. It is a type of internet marketing that can really make you stand out. You can make your email subscribers feel special by giving them special discounts, insider content, and tailored content. The deals may also get people who aren't already subscribers to sign up for updates. Email marketing is a great way to get the word out about your products and services, build relationships, encourage customer loyalty, and get feedback from your customers that you can use to improve your business. The trick is to build an email list, make email marketing content that is interesting to your audience or customers, write catchy subject lines, and figure out when the best time is to send an email blast. There are a lot of different kinds of emails you can send. Most customers already know about the brand newsletter, where you can keep them updated on what's happening with the business. You can also send emails when you launch a new product or service, update your website, open a new store, or host an event. Email marketing also includes confirmation emails, thank you notes, and alerts. Marketing on social media. Social media is one of the best ways to market on the internet right now. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, etc. give people a place to talk to each other in a dynamic, two-way way. Most of the time people spend online is in these places. So, brands can't pass up the chance to get more people to notice them and need to promote their brands effectively. As the name suggests, social media marketing (SMM) is all about using the power of content on social media sites to market your business. In the last 10 years, social media networks have become the most popular type of digital media, with millions or even billions of users worldwide. This makes them a good way to get people to your site. The key to a successful social media marketing campaign is making content people want to share that might even go viral. Marketers could post on their profiles or add buttons to their websites that let people share their content with their friends and family on social media. Video advertising. One of the most entertaining and interactive ways to market online is through video ads. It includes display ads on the internet with videos inside of them. These kinds of ads can also be shown before, during, or after a video stream. When someone watches an ad, they usually see a call to action to buy or learn more about the product or service. With TV advertising, there's no way to do something like that. Online marketing with video can be very effective if you know how to do it right. More than half of customers wanted to see video content from their favorite brands, so it's clear that you need to use videos in your digital marketing strategies. Networking for business. Network marketing is a type of social media marketing that uses the groups and associations that already exist online. All you have to do is find a group of influencers, wholesalers, or professionals who can spread the word about your business to the people you want to reach. It would be best if you found a way to get these groups together and keep them informed and interested in your digital campaign. And if they say good things about your product, it could become the next big thing on the web. Marketing based on context. Contextual marketing is a form of advertising and a way to build a brand's reputation. In this case, the marketer wants to move the business forward without being picky about the medium. Companies can do this online marketing by having guest bloggers and buying blog reviews. The first step is to find a platform with high-ranking pages and a large audience that overlaps. To make the most of your online presence, do this and promote your content on the site. Marketing with affiliates. Online businesses can ask other businesses to sell their goods and services. Affiliate marketing is when one business sells another's products along with its own as an extra or as part of a package deal. There may be different rules and requirements for each seller. Affiliate marketing is much like a sales job where you get paid a commission. When a user enters the discount code or clicks on the link, you pay your affiliate partner for the site traffic or sale. Amazon Associates is the most popular affiliate network, but eBay, Shopify, and other e-commerce sites also have affiliate marketing programs. You can also set up your affiliate program and cut out the intermediary. If you set up your affiliate program, on the other hand, you have a lot more control. Marketing with content. Content marketing is one of the best ways to use digital marketing in a way that is not direct. Most of the time, a business markets itself by promoting its products, services, or brand. With content marketing, you focus on showing how valuable you are through useful and relevant content. Content marketing includes a wide range of different types of content. Popular types of content on the web include blogs, videos, social media posts, ebooks, brochures, infographics, case studies, and templates. An effective content marketing strategy is about making content your audience wants to see to influence their buying decisions in the future. SEM marketing for search engines. Search engine marketing, SEM, and SEO are often mixed up because their names are similar. Both deal with things like Google and Bing, which are search engines. But these two kinds of digital marketing are different, and it's important to know what those differences are. SEM helps marketers put paid ads on the results page of a search engine. Except for the word ad, these ads look almost the same as the organic search results on Google. They appear at the top of the search results before any organic results. This gives you a lot of exposure and immediately makes people aware of your brand. Optimization for search engine results pages is not meant to be replaced by search engine marketing. Marketers should always use a little bit of both to get as many searches as possible to their site. Instant messaging marketing. People often use instant messaging to talk to their friends and family, but businesses can also use it to talk to their customers. Not just to answer questions or fill orders, but also to get their name out there. Because chat is one and none, marketing through instant messaging apps needs a slightly different approach than other types of online marketing. In an ideal world, you should personalize your messages, get people to act, and keep it short and sweet. Users are likely to skip over long messages. Marketing with influencers. The word influencer may be new, but the idea behind it isn't. It means a person who makes content for social media and has a big following in a certain group or niche. They might not have the same pull and name recognition as an A-list celebrity endorser, but that doesn't make them less effective as a marketing tool. Think of influencer marketing as an upgraded version of word-of-mouth marketing. By working with an influencer, you can reach their followers, who often number in the tens of thousands. Mobile marketing. This type of digital marketing aims to reach your target audience on their smartphone or tablet. People can be reached through mobile marketing through text messages, social media, websites, email, and mobile apps. Marketers can make deals or special content based on where or when a customer is, like when they walk into a store or an event. In the last few years, e-commerce has grown significantly and become an important part in the world of retail worldwide. Statistics says that by 2021, 70% of all retail website visits will come from smartphone users, and that e-retail sales will have grown by more than $4.2 trillion in the same year. Marketers know that you need to take your message to where your customers are, and it's clear that your potential customers are on their phones. Thank you to everyone who has watched our video. Please tell us how much you liked our video in the comment box. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of business essentials and much more. I will see you in the next video.